Hello! Today we are talking about how things are produced. Let's start it. Mainframe is used to talk about how something is manufactured when we are partly talking about the process and production. For example, paper is made from wood, cheese is made from milk, butter is made from milk, wine is made from grapes. Use made of with material. Original material hasn't changed very much. For example, bracelet is made of metal. T-shirt is made of cotton. The ring is made of gold. The box is made of cardboard. Used, made out of, with reused material. Use something old to make something new. For example, these lights are made out of jars. This seat is made out of an old tire. These flower pots are made out of cans. Made with is used when talking about one multiple things used in the creation, especially when talking about recipes. For example, the soup is made with chicken and noodles. This ceviche is made with fish, onion, lemon, and chili. This salad is made with vegetables. Made by is used to make something or the person, people making the thing. For example, this cake was made by Anna. The chair was made by Albert. The tools were made by a local company. Quiz time. Which is correct? 1. This jacket is leather. 2. The candlestick was old wine bottles. 3. This statue was Michelangelo. 4. Bricks are clay, sand, and straw. Please let me know your answers in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. Bye for now.